So the process was definitely easier than I expected. I was nervous. I was like, wait, like how many people they're gonna, I thought you guys would just send me people and I would just like to have to look over and be like, okay, now this is overwhelming. Like when I have too many options or thing gets too difficult, I know it's a turn off for me. So it was great that by the time that we scheduled the interviews, it was only four candidates that you guys have already like look over and say like, we think this four are great for your business. So I think it was great that it was only four. I think that was perfect. Too many is just you get undecisive. And Julian helped me a lot with the questions because it was kind of the first time for me like really doing an interview like that. So I was he was like, would you like for me to help? And I was like, yes please. So it was a fairly easy process. He was very good with the questions. I could add my own questions, and we both together came up with like, okay, these are your two that you like the most. And then he helped me through again like with picking the right person based on my needs. So it was good. I would definitely recommend your company to my clients and friends. It was an easy process and all the applicants were qualified, and I am really impressed with how easy was the process, because I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this, but I hate when things get difficult, and it was a very easy process.